Safety Toolbox Talk number 222. Benefits of good illumination. Better concentration and accuracy in work. Good lighting can help reduce eye strain and fatigue, which can lead to increased concentration and focus. Reduces risk of occupational accidents and health problems. Good lighting can make an office feel more comfortable and inviting and increase productivity. Good lighting can help improve safety in an office by reducing the risk of accidents caused by poor visibility. Enhances concentration, learning, and decision-making. Promotes employee satisfaction and well-being. Can lower absenteeism and staff turnover. Creates an inviting, engaging workplace environment. Thank you.